Just holding down the power button brings up Siri. So how do you turn off an iPhone? Well, let's say your iPhone is frozen and you need to force restart it. If you quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button down, it will give you the option to turn off. But if your phone is frozen, how would you turn it off without pressing the screen? If you press volume up, volume down, and then hold and keep holding the power button, keep holding that down until the Apple logo appears, and then you can go ahead and release the power button. This is a force restart, and you can do this even if the touchscreen is unresponsive. So just holding the power button down brings up Siri, but if you want to restart it or turn it off as usual and your phone isn't frozen, you can just go ahead and quickly press a volume up, volume down, hold down the power button, and you can let go of everything and it will give you the option to slide to power off. And that's how you turn off your iPhone.